Unraveling Idioms. More bark than bite explained. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, more bark than bite. This phrase is a gem in English conversations, and understanding it can really enhance your comprehension and expression in English. So, let's get started and explore what this idiom means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, more bark than bite, is used to describe someone or something that seems much more threatening or aggressive than they are in reality. It originates from the behavior of dogs. Some dogs might bark loudly or fiercely but are not actually willing or likely to cause harm. When we apply this to people or situations, it means that despite a tough or intimidating exterior, the person or situation is not as harmful or dangerous as they appear to be. To truly grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples of how this idiom can be used in everyday language. 1. My boss seems strict because he often raises his voice, but he's really more bark than bite. This means the boss might appear intimidating but is actually quite gentle or lenient in practice. 2. Don't worry about the warnings from that company. They're more bark than bite. Here, it suggests that the company's threats are not as serious or likely to be acted upon as they might seem. 3. In a lighter, more personal context, my grandfather looks grumpy and often scolds us, but he's all bark and no bite. This indicates that despite his grumpy appearance and behavior, the grandfather is actually not strict or unkind. Using the idiom, more bark than bite, can add a playful yet insightful nuance to your conversations. Here are some tips on how to use it effectively. In descriptive writing, it's great for character descriptions in stories or when giving an opinion about someone's personality. In conversations, use it to reassure someone who might be worried about dealing with a person or situation that seems daunting. In professional contexts, it can help to soften criticisms or observations about leadership styles or corporate policies. Remember, idioms like this one are best used in more informal settings or when a touch of humor and lightness is appropriate. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, more bark than bite. We hope this video has illuminated another interesting facet of the English language for you and that you feel more confident using this expression in your conversations. Idioms like these enrich our language and make it more colorful and expressive. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.